What's up everybody, Bryan Brozy here, Doctor of Physical Therapy with B.Well Physical Therapy and Wellness. Today I'm going to show you the clean and press. Clean and press can be done with a dumbbell, certainly can be done with a barbell. Today I'm going to do it with kettlebell. It's one of my favorite ways to do it. You can really work it into a flow or a circuit really easily. The big thing with the clean and press is it's going to have two parts, the clean and then the press. The big thing with the clean, so the dumbbell, the weight, the kettlebell starts right in the middle of our feet. And I'm gonna squat down and grab the bell in between my feet. I'm gonna really push my feet through the floor, squeeze my glutes, keep my core engaged to come up to that, through the clean into the rack position. This position right here is called the rack. So a few cleans just by themselves look like this. Some big questions or problems that arise with the clean are people saying when they come up like this, the bell smacks them in the wrist and it really hurts. One way to fix that is to really, tighten up your posture. So keep this elbow, or whichever elbow is cleaning the weight, tight and within the body. Another big thing is try and think about pushing through the bell instead of letting the bell hit your forearm. Bring your forearm to hit the bell. And another really good point of clarification here is I am not flipping this bell over my wrist. I am picking up and swiveling my arm, just supinating my arm, and the bell's not going over like a rainbow-like arch to come back and smack my wrist. Instead, as I'm coming up in that clean, I'm supinating and then I'm there. We just want to do it with some good speed, so I'm going to do one more clean. Real tight core, powerful athletic stance, and the rack. And then the press, of course, is just pressing the weight overhead, actively pulling it back down to that rack position, and you would start again. So this is great to do like 10 on the right side, and then 10 on the left, or work into a circuit and alternate sides. I always try and point out how there are 2 points to the clean and press, and you want to not blow through those points. So don't just come through and blast through the rack. Take a moment, set that rack, weight comes up. That's the clean and press with a kettlebell. Love this exercise. Give it a try. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, be well.